Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning, application and sample case of Ignorantia juris non excusat. Let's dive right into it. Ignorantia juris non excusat is a Latin phrase that translates to ignorance of the law is no excuse in English. It is a legal principle that serves as a cornerstone of many legal systems around the world. The principle implies that individuals cannot escape liability or punishment for violating the law simply because they were unaware of its existence or were ignorant of its provisions. Application. The principle ignorantia juris non excusat is based on the idea that every person is presumed to know and understand the laws that apply to their actions within a given jurisdiction. The rationale behind this principle is that if individuals could claim ignorance as a defense, it could lead to chaos, abuse of the legal system, and render laws ineffective in maintaining order and justice. In essence, this legal maxim emphasizes personal responsibility and accountability. Even if a person genuinely did not know that their actions were illegal or against the law, they can still be held liable for their conduct if it violates existing legal statutes. Sample case. Let's consider a hypothetical case to illustrate the application of this principle. Case: John is a tourist from a foreign country visiting a different country where the local laws are significantly different from those in his home country. John rents a car and parks it in a no parking zone while he visits a famous tourist attraction. When he returns, he finds that his car has been towed away, and he receives a fine for illegal parking. John pleads that he was not aware of the no parking zone sign because it was written in the local language and he couldn't understand it. He argues that his ignorance of the law should be a valid defense for not obeying the parking regulation. In this scenario, ignorantia juris non excusat would apply, and John would still be held responsible for the parking violation. The rationale is that, as a visitor to the country, John is presumed to have a duty to familiarize himself with the local laws and regulations. His lack of knowledge of the local language or the specific traffic rules would not be a valid excuse for breaking the law. Thus, John would have to pay the fine and bear the consequences of his actions. It is essential to recognize and understand the laws that govern our actions to avoid legal consequences, regardless of whether we are citizens or visitors in a particular jurisdiction. This principle serves as a reminder that we are all responsible for knowing and abiding by the laws that apply to us. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.